So in today's video, I will tell you that how you can be able to pair your universal TV remote with your TV set. Today I bought a universal remote, and in today's video I will tell you how to pair this remote with your whatever TV you have got in your home. Alright, so the first step what you got to do, this is my TV and I'm going to pair this remote with this TV. So first what you got to do is press the setup button. So hold down the setup key until the LED under the device key blinks twice. Alright, let's try this. Alright, let's press this. So it blinked twice. And now what you got to do, for each brand there are different numbers. So I have got LG TV. For LG TV I need to press 4. So hold down the digit for your brand. The remote will send power every 3 seconds until your device switch off. As soon as your device switches off, release the digit. The LED will blink twice and the remote should now operate your device. So let's do this. I'll press 4. So if you have noticed, the TV has been turned off by pressing the 4 button for few seconds. So the remote should now be paired with this television set. Let's press the power button. So did you see this, guys? The remote has been paired with this television and now I can be able to use this remote with this TV. So this was a super easy steps to pair your universal TV remote with your television set. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.